DRIO, stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. DarioHealth, it's an ongoing... I mean, my 2 cents on this is that it's not looking good, and I'll show you exactly why. I have delivered thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years, spent thousands of courses and mentors, documented everything. Generally speaking, the price is just melting down. And I've talked about it before. Like, I've definitely talked about it before. But like this POI here, the confirmation zone is going to be here. And what I wanted to see was like a movement up and then take things low, but it just delivered without me, which is not the end of the world. With this in mind, these are the next lows that we have. Ultimately, this is the supply zone. We tapped into it, so the most likely thing that's going to happen next is these lows, at least from in my eyes. And unless I see like some catalyst or the price just really starts breaking above 76 cents, this is just a bullish theme ticker for me. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the very first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. So goodbye and enjoy.